Yesterday, I have told you about the antipsychotic drugs agents. These antipsychotic drugs are prescribed in patients who are psychotic or schizophrenia patients. Schizophrenia or psychosis is a mental condition in which the patient has delusions, illusions, and the hallucinations. Hallucinations are the false beliefs. He has false beliefs that that when there is night, he will say, now it is day. It cannot accept any reasoning. He has doubt in all his words. When two persons are talking with each other near him, he'll say that these persons want to kill me, or that is a personality disorder. So when there occurs such conditions, the drugs which are given, these are called anti-schizophrenic, neuroleptic, major tranquilizer, antipsychotic drugs. When the antipsychotic drugs act on the dopamine receptors, in the schizophrenia, there is increased working of dopamine receptors. So when there is increased dopamine, the condition is called psychosis. So these drugs are anti-dopaminergic. The drugs are classified into two. Drugs are classified into two. That the typical and atypical antipsychotic agents. Typical antipsychotic drugs are aliphatic drugs. So when there is condition psychosis, the aliphatic compounds are more potent than atypical type of antipsychotic drugs. Psychosis, general term for any major mental disorder of organic and emotional origin, characterized by derangement of personality and loss of contact with reality, often with delusions, hallucinations, illusions. These persons are always activated in a condition. They talk more and more. They have delusions that someone is talking with me from the ear. Actually, there is no. Yes, hallucination that I am seeing stars in the sky, or anyone who is talking from sky with me, but actually it is not. He is saying that I am hearing sounds, certain sounds they are calling me, but actually there is no any sound. When he does not accept reasoning, hallucination, the visual hallucinations means he seeing these persons or sounds, or the when the auditory hallucinations are the that he is hearing the sounds of any person. Schizophrenia or psychosis characterized by delusions, hallucinations, thinking or speech disturbances can affect during adolescent period. It is a chronic and disabling disorder Genetic factor account for 80%, but no major genes have yet been identified. These are the classification. Typical antipsychotic drugs: chlorpromazine, promethazine, thioridazine, piperidine, thyroidazine, nisoridazine, trifluperazine, fluphenazine, perfenazine, thioxanthine derivative, thioxine, beta-rufinone derivative, droperidol, haloperidol, imoside, and molinol. Atypical antipsychotic: clozapine, loxapine, olanzapine, acinapine, zotipine, quetiapine, risperidone, ziprasidone, paliperidone, satindol, aripiprazole. Yesterday I told you about these, all the functions of the typical antipsychotic drug. Chlorpromazine means it is prototype drug. It is the first member of antipsychotic drugs. Now I am telling you further about the anti-manic mania. Mania is an exaggerated condition of any person from excessive excretion or secretion of hormones. These so mania, psychosis, mania come with each other. Or sometimes patient has a bipolar disorder in which one patient has the depression or mania, or depression associated with mania, that is called bipolar disorder. The person's mood is disturbed, or thinking is disturbed. Thinking is disturbed of the schizophrenic patients, while the thinking of the mood stabilizing persons does not change. So when psychosis occur, or you are using antipsychotic drugs, or when you are using antidepressant drugs, the patients goes in mania. Mania is the exaggerated condition in which the patient says that I have high energy in the body, I can do anywhere. He does not need sleep. He always activated state. These drugs are called anti-manic and mood stabilizing drugs. They are used as lithium, carbamazepine, valproic acid, and olanzapine. So lithium is a salt like sodium chloride. Carbamazepine is a mood stabilizing and anti-epileptic drug. Valproic acid is also mood stabilizing and anti-epileptic. Olanzapine is antipsychotic drug. Lithium, it is small monovalent cation, absorbed within 6-8 hours. Peak plasma level occurs in 30 minutes, 2 hours. Slow entry intracellular compartment, no protein binding, no metabolism, excreted entirely in urine. Plasma half-life about 20 hours. Mechanism of action of lithium is unclear. It is excreted as such salt. The major possibilities are it affects on the electrolyte and ion transport, it affects on neurotransmitters and their release, and it affects on second messengers and intracellular enzymes. Lithium effects on electrolyte and ion transport. Lithium is closely related to sodium. It can substitute for sodium in generating action potential and sodium-sodium exchange across the membrane. It inhibits the later process, that is lithium and sodium exchange is gradually slowed after lithium is introduced in the body. At the therapeutic dose, not affect the sodium calcium or sodium potassium ATPase effects on neurotransmitters. Enhance some actions of serotonin may decrease norepinephrine dopamine turnover, block the development of dopamine receptor supersensitivity, enhance the synthesis of acetylcholine. Effects on second messengers, delete the inositol triphosphate 1,4,5 triphosphate IP3 and diacylglycerol. Lithium inhibits many enzymes of normal cycling of membrane phosphonacetides, including conversion IP2 to IP1 and IP to inositol. Clinical pharmacology of lithium, bipolar affective disorder in mild mania. Lithium alone may be effective. In severe cases, clonazepam or lorazepam are added. Once mania is controlled, antipsychotic can be withdrawn. The benzodiazepine and lithium are continued as maintenance therapy. Other indications, endogenous depression, schizoaffective disorders used in combination with antipsychotics, unipolar depression as combination therapy with tricyclic antidepressant. Dosage of lithium is 1200 to 1800 milligram per day. Adverse effects of lithium, tremors, motor hyperactivity, ataxia, dysarthria, decreased thyroid function, polyuria, decreased thyroid function, polyuria, polydipsia, chronic interstitial nephritis, nephroid syndrome can occur, edema of the body, sick sinus syndrome, folliculitis, and leukocytosis can occur. Valproic acid, it is an anti-epileptic drug also shown to have anti-manic effect. It is effective in some patients unresponsive to lithium, can cause nausea in some patients. Dose is 750 milligram per day, dose 60 milligram per kg per day. Carbamazepine, useful in acute mania and prophylactic therapy, can be used alone or combined with lithium or valproate. Mode of action unclear. It may reduce sensitization of the brain to repeated episodes of mood swing. Dose is 200 milligram twice weekly initially. Initially 800 milligram to 1200 milligram for maintenance dose. Thanks. Any question you have? Salim? Salim bhai? Hello? 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 आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? हेलो? हाँ? मां हिते इन खे हितां मथां छा कयो आहे न? म्यूट ऑल, अनम्यूट ऑल, अनम्यूट ऑल कयो अथऊं। हा हा। हेलो? 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 हेलो?
यस सर।
आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
जी सर आ रही है।
कुछ समझ में आया है? नहीं?
यस सर आ गया।
हाँ ठीक है, ये देखना फिर मैं जो है नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मैं आपके लिए जो है ना BCQ लाऊंगा जो आपके एग्जाम के लिए या टेस्ट के लिए बेस्ट होंगे। ठीक है? ओके। शिफ्टन इनके बंद करो, रिकॉर्ड करो सर्विस।